The waterproofing of floor and wall surfaces in wet areas is regulated by waterproofing standards to prevent structural damage. The inadequate sealing by conventional plugs can lead to moisture and mold growth, whereas the DuoSeal is designed to stop water getting to the areas behind. The Fischer DuoSeal completely seals the drill hole. The nylon plug has been independently tested in combination with the screw included. For installation, the drill hole must be created with a suitable tile drill. The drill hole must then be cleaned. The anti-rotation feature prevents the plug from rotating during installation. The stainless steel screw included prevents rust forming in wet areas. The DuoSeal can be installed in all building materials. The exterior of the plug is pressed against the wall of the drill hole by the screw sealing the drill hole perfectly. The inner geometry of the plug is designed to fit the shape of the screw, making a perfect seal. The rim made of soft plastic seals the drill hole completely and adapts to the shape of the fixture. For wet areas like bathrooms, wet rooms and kitchens. For fixing bathroom accessories, fittings and shelves. Fischer DuoSeal, the sealing plug for wet areas.